Montessori for Beginners, a brief guide. If you are a parent interested in homeschooling or alternative educational systems, you may have heard of Montessori education. The Montessori method is an approach to learning and development created by Italian physician and educator Maria Montessori in the early 20th century. It emphasizes natural development, freedom within limits, and individualized learning. Here's a brief guide to Montessori for beginners to help you understand the basics and decide if it might be a good fit for your family. The environment, Montessori classrooms, or homes, are carefully designed to allow children to explore and learn independently. They are often set up with low shelves, child-sized furniture, and materials arranged in order of difficulty or complexity. The idea is that children can choose their own activities and work at their own pace, without the need for constant adult guidance or intervention. Everything in the environment should be accessible and safe for the child, and there should be a sense of order and calm. The materials. Montessori materials are specially designed to promote hands-on learning and sensory exploration. They're often made of natural materials like wood or metal, and they are self-correcting, meaning that the child can easily tell if they have made a mistake and try again. Examples of Montessori materials include the pink tower, a set of graduated cubes for stacking, the red rods, long wooden sticks of varying lengths, and the sandpaper letters cut out of sandpaper that children can trace with their fingers. The curriculum. The Montessori method emphasizes practical life skills, sensory learning, and language development. However, there is no fixed curriculum or set of academic subjects that children must learn in a certain order. Instead, the curriculum is tailored to the individual child and their interests and abilities. Children are encouraged to follow their own curiosity and explore different areas of learning as they are ready. The teacher's or parent's role is to observe and guide the child, but not to impose their own agenda or timetable. The philosophy. Montessori education is based on the belief that children have an innate desire to learn and are capable of directing their own development. Therefore, the goal of education is not to fill the child's mind with information or to prepare them for a specific job or career, but to help them become independent, creative, and self-directed learners. Montessori teachers and parents aim to foster the child's sense of curiosity, self-discipline, and respect for themselves, others, and the environment. The benefits. Advocates of Montessori education claim that it has many benefits for children, including improved academic achievement, social skills, and creativity. Children who have experienced Montessori education are often praised for their independence, confidence, and ability to think critically. However, it's worth noting that not all children thrive in a Montessori environment, and some may find it too unstructured or overwhelming. It's important to visit a Montessori classroom or talk to other parents and educators before deciding if it's right for your child. In summary, Montessori education is an alternative approach to schooling that emphasizes child-led learning, hands-on materials, and individualized instruction. It can be a great fit for children who are curious, independent, and enjoy exploring their world. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and parents should carefully consider their child's needs and interests before committing to a Montessori program. With patience, observation, and flexibility, you can create a Montessori-inspired home environment that encourages your child's natural learning and development. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to The Educated Home for more,